Hey, what's up, Burritos? Welcome to Vlogmas Day 23. Now, this Christmas Eve and me, I will try go up on the road, go see if we can do a little bit of, what you call this, Grand Market recording. I don't know how to go. My mind not pop up on camera too much and do all the talking because you know the thief them sometimes can be hard out. So, anyway, Christmas Eve, people, we're keeping it good with the Vlogmas. One more day to go and then that is hard that, okay? But check out some of the highlights of what go on Christmas Eve. But check out some of the highlights of what go on Christmas Eve Grand Market Night in Jamaica. Half a tree style.
Just up here, walk up and down the fence and kill time, you know. And your friend just walk up and come in the store and feel
That's what I'm saying. Everything I did it here. Like in this circumference, like half a tree. Like I got my prom suit at Spencer Taylor's over there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you know.
Spencer Taylor in there.
Listen, I'm with it. How much are they, Barry? Those something. How much are they? Is the price? I want to buy one of those something. I don't know.
Slip and start from doors here, sir.
This is good so far. Well, that is it, burritos. That is the end of this Vlogmas video. I never really get to do exactly what I wanted to do because you know the street it kind of set away, but me just say here what. I'm gonna show you through my point of view what it was like walking up and down on the street. So just work with it. Okay, people. As usual, if you liked it, you know, hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment, subscribe if you're new. And yeah, what, 2 more vlogs to go? Or 1 more? Remember, but yeah, keep it locked.